So hello fellow banknote and coin collectors, and today we have a bulk lot of coins. I believe this is a kilo. I'm not going to weigh it, and they cost about $20 to $30. So we're just going to go through it and see if these are actually a good lot to actually get. So I'll only make this video about 10 minutes. If I have coins after 10 minutes, then we will I'll do another video. So let's get into it. So the first coin that's actually a very good coin to actually get is this Malawi 5 kwacha. So it's a bimetal one. There's a 10 kwacha as well, which is the opposite bimetal. But this one actually is good to actually get because you are paying probably about $5 to $10 just for one of these coins. So that's definitely a keeper. Okay, so some other coins. So we've got a Greek 10 drachma, probably $1 or $2. Nothing really special, pretty common. Czechoslovakian 2 kronas. This one's 1975, and this one's also common as well. So if I say it's common, then it's just really low value. So a Hungarian 2 foreign has BP, which is Budapest, not British Petroleum or the company. So BP. And these ones no longer circulate. These have been withdrawn from circulation, so the lowest value is 5 foreign. So that's a pretty common coin. Oh, another one. This is Morocco. So Morocco has a star on the coat of arms. And this one is a 20 centimes. So these would still circulate. So I believe this is the lowest denomination in circulation in Morocco, and the current value is about 1 cent Australian. So not too sure if I've got that. A 1 penny. This one looks like it has lamination flaws, but it's quite a common coin. Sorry, I got distracted. So the next coin is another common coin. So this one is a Japanese 10 yen, worth about 14 Australian cents. This is Showa 63, so that's the old king from 2 kings ago. Colons. And this is a Costa Rica 100 crowns. So as you can see, it says Republic de Costa Rica. Pretty common, 2007. It's actually quite a large coin, so here is an Australian, 50 cent coin actually. 50 cent coin, so it's actually quite a large coin. Costa Rica has the largest coins in the Americas. So the smallest coin's the size of about a 10 cent coin. And this one's worth about 20 cents because it's 500 colones. So it's worth probably $1. 2 coins from Kenya, old coins, Kenyan shillings. So this one's well circulated, so not really worth much. And this one's a 1989. So the difference is one is Kenyatta, the other one has a Rupmoy. And the exchange rate's about 80 shillings to $1. So this is really probably worth $1 or so each. This one is actually also a nice score. So this is a 50 pesewas from Ghana. Obviously they have a star, which is on the flag. And this one has Kwame Nkrumah. And this coin is actually a good score for the bags. You're paying at least $5 to $10 per coin for this one that I've seen. So it's actually a very good score along with the Malawi coin. So that's actually nice. Next coin. I don't have this one. This is a Samoa. So here you go, Samoa. So these are actually frozen dates, so they're actually all dated 2011. I believe the Royal Australian minted some last financial year. And this one's worth about, I think about 25 cents from memory. So it's worth probably a few dollars. Probably $1 or $2 for that one. Next coin is Vietnam. Quite a well circulated. These ones don't circulate anymore, so this is a 1,000 dong. This one, probably not really, just sell it or give it away as a bulk lot or whatever. Fiji 1981, 10 cent. These are usually pretty low mint, either a few thousand or a few million. And these ones probably sell about $1 or $2. So it's a nice coin. Another Fiji, 20 cent. So here you go. I believe. So the difference between these two is that this 10 cent is copper nickel, and this 20 cent, so you've got 20 cents, is a nickel plated steel. You can see the actual shine on the nickel plated steel. And this one should be magnetic. I don't have a magnet, but you're probably looking about $1 or $2 for those coins. But a nice coin if you don't have it. New pence. So I've actually seen these on eBay going, wow, these are expensive. Wow, $15,000. It's like $1 billion. Is this 71? Oh no, 78. So it's probably like 50 million of these minted. There's 71 is like $1 billion. So just face value. These are face value. Probably sell it for $1, or I'll probably just chuck it in with some other coins. And next coin. Oh, it's nearly 6 minutes and I haven't actually scratched the surface. So I'll make this video 15 minutes. This one is Romania and it's 25 bani. These ones you can get for probably $1 or $2. You can see the corrosion because this one's steel or nickel plated steel. So that's actually quite nice. I actually like these communist Romanian coins. That one I've already got. Then I've got another Fijian, 1 cent, 1969, worth just $1 or $2. And these are the first year that Fiji actually issued decimalized coins. So the next one is a current coin. So this is from Egypt, £1. This one is 2008. And it has Tutankhamun's death mask. So it's actually a nice coin to actually get. These ones you're probably paying $2 to $3 per coin in uncirculated. So this one, these are becoming more common now. Before they actually were pretty hard to actually get for a reasonable price. Okay, oh, big coin. So this is actually not an easy one you get in coin lots. This is a United Arab Emirates 1 dirham. So this one's 1984, or is it 74? 1984. And the current coin is actually smaller, so that one's a good one to actually keep. You'd probably be paying $4 to $5 for that coin. So at the moment I see that this is actually a good lot. So it's actually a really good lot to actually get. Some are good, some are bad. And here we have, whoops, I dropped it. There you go, there's the outside. A 1 real. So this is 1 real from the Kingdom of Iran. And this one has, looks like 24. I have to look that up. Well circulated copper nickel coin. So this was the second lowest denomination after the 50 dinars, which are circulated in Iran. Okay, well, another coin. So this is a 50 dirhams. Is it? No, 50 fils, I mean, from UAE, United Arab Emirates. It goes with the 1, so as you can see. Well, I actually don't have this coin. Do I have the... I do have the set somewhere. Here it is. So I've got the old set. So this actually has the... Come on, focus. So this has the smaller coin and the reduced size 50 fils coin. Oh, 1 to 50 dirhams. Oh, sorry, dirhams, yeah. So sometimes when you don't look at coins for a while, you actually get confused. Oh, nice. Colombia, 200 pesos. So this is the previous series, but still legal tender. I believe it's worth about 20 cents exchange rate. And that one I don't have. So it's worth about $1 or $2. Next coin, Lebanon, 250 Lira, 2003. Here you go. These still have the French on it. And that one is a current circulating coin. So in lots you could buy them for about $5 to $10 in the coin lots. But that one I don't have. I actually sold on mine, which is a bit sad. Okay, here we have a Fiji 1973, 2 cents. I'd just sell those in a lot. Another one, seems to be a fair few Fijian coins. 5 cent, 1980, pretty good lot. Oh, another Fijian, 1 cent. So I'll probably just sell these Fijian coins as a set because they're just not really worth selling by themselves for $1 or $2. And another Hungarian 1993 2 forint. Then we have a Taiwanese. So this is 88. Yeah, 88, $1. This is only worth 5 cents Australian, but you know, if you want to sell it, I actually sell them as a lot. Okay, next coin, Argentina, 2008. They actually don't use these anymore, 10 centimos. The lowest coin now is actually 1 peso. So that one I actually already have, but you know, looks like that might actually have doubling on it. Have to turn it around. Need to put that aside and see if that's actually doubled. More Fijian coins. Wow. So these are the old series 69, 10 cent. And nice reading. Not really worth that much. Another 250 Lira from Lebanon. I actually like these coins, 250 Lira. I think the exchange rate's about 2,000 Lira equals $1 American dollar, so about 1,500 because $1 Australian dollar. A coin you actually don't see quite often. Pity it's a bit banged up because these are a bit more expensive. So this is a Madagascar, Malagasy, so Malagasy Republic, 10 Airy. This is worth about 1 cent exchange rate. But in good, better condition, you're probably paying $5 to $10 per coin for one of these. They don't turn up quite often. And I believe these are still in circulation, but they've changed the shape. So it's a good coin to actually keep if you don't have it. Okay, here we have a Thailand with King Rama D9. And this is a... don't know, they do not. Looks like 50. What's their denomination? 1 baht equals 100. Gee, how do you bloody forget a denomination? Anyway, it's half a baht. So it's haven't got it, but you know, it's still pretty corroded. I got this one. About $1 for that. Greek 10 drachma. Another coin you actually don't see that often in coin lots is this 100 francs from Rwanda. 2007, quite beat up, I already have it. So, but that one is something you don't see quite often. It's worth about 20 cents exchange rate. I think about 500 francs equals $1. And that's one country that actually come back from the genocide with vengeance. More Fijian. Wow. This is Fijian holiday. Beautiful. See, a lot of coins actually disappear from disappearing overseas. So it's probably worth about a cent or so. It's probably only about 500,000 that is actually minted, which is the normal mintage for Fiji. And here we have the most common new pence. Still in very high grade, but probably $1 maximum in uncirculated. About 1 billion of them. So don't buy it. It's like, oh, wow, very rare. 20,000 coins. Wow. Okay, another high grade Fijian coin. Gee, someone went on holiday quite a lot. Kept a lot of coins. I probably would have just given them to the people who are living in poverty over there. Like my brother did when he went to Fiji. He gave coins away because it's not worth keeping them. Okay, and there's a 2 cent as well. You can't do anything now apart from sell them. Another Taiwanese coin. $1. And another Moroccan coin. 1987. Not too sure if I have this. So it's worth about $1 maximum. And this coin, oh, look at that, Tanzania. So this is a 10 shilling. I don't have this. Worth about $1 or $2. So most of these coins you see in the actual, you see an actual pattern here in their actual low value. So Mexico, 1 pesos, about $1. And this one, I need to look this up. This actually looks pretty fake. Tongbao, I need to actually look that up, but I presume that's just a charm or something like that. Another Moroccan coin, 1 dirham, 1987. Quite beat up. Get a few Moroccan coins. Oh, look at this. Turkish 10 para. This is 1327. So this is the oldest coin so far. This is, what's rain here? Rain year is that 50? No. It's a bit damaged. I need to look into that. So this one you'll probably be paying about $5 to $10 itself. So quite obviously with this one and these coins, it's probably paid for itself already. So that's actually quite a good coin lot. And then we have a 1 forint from Hungary, no longer in circulation. 1996, should I say. Ooh, what country is this? Do you know? Have a look at that. This is, from the looks of it, a Nepalese to rupees. So, need to look in that. I actually don't have it, but I work with lots of Nepalese, so I'll take it to work and they can actually translate it. Where I work is Nepal. Oh, look. Zhongguo, Yuan, Yuan. 1995, so this is a People's Republic of China, 1 yen. And they don't mint these anymore since, was it 2009? From memory. And your last coin we'll see, because, 17 minutes, is another Fijian 1980. So, the next video, I will actually do more of these coins. I'll probably have to cut this up into 3 or 4 videos because there's actually too many. Anyway, I'll leave it here. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.